Good evening, Livio, Regano with tonight's weather. So we're entering another stretch of classic wet season weather. It doesn't mean rain all day, that hardly ever happens in Queensland. It does mean a few hot, humid days ahead with strong sunshine, occasionally broken by a menacing storm cloud. Some of us will get very wet, others will miss out. Today's top temp in Toowoomba was 26 degrees, about average for a December day on the Downs, and last night's minimum of 17 was also right on par. Let's look at the satellite first up. Same as yesterday, most of the cloud has been in the deep interior. We had a severe thunderstorm warning issued this afternoon for the Warrego-Maranoa. Storms are moving a little bit further east, but they're generally fairly isolated, and again, mostly inland. Tomorrow, that'll be a different story. They'll reach the coast a bit more readily. Now, on today's chart, what we see is a fairly loose pressure pattern along the coast. We've only got 2 isobars in Queensland, so winds are dropping, and it's making the humidity feel a little bit worse, though certainly over southern Queensland, it hasn't been that bad. There's the inland trough that's spawning the storms over the Warrego-Maranoa, and the upper level winds are carrying them a little bit further east. On tomorrow's chart, it doesn't look a great deal different, but the upper level trough is slightly stronger and in better alignment, and the higher level winds coming from the west have a better chance of carrying the inland storms towards the coast, so everyone will be threatened tomorrow. Then on the outlook chart, this is probably our rainiest day when the trough moves right into eastern Queensland, and the whole eastern seaboard and adjacent ranges have a better chance of getting storms. Latest now from the Weather Bureau, Darling Downs and Granite Belt forecast. Showers tomorrow with potentially severe thunderstorms, and the major flood warnings continue. Dalby 29 degrees, Gundawindi 33, 27 for Toowoomba, Warwick 28. For the southeast coast, a cloudy day and stormy. Gatton 31 degrees, 32 for Ipswich, Brisbane a top of 30. Looking ahead for Toowoomba, warm nights and humid days will prevail well into next week, with strong sunshine interspersed with random storms in the late afternoons. Slightly cooler from Sunday. Warwick again, the next 2 afternoons are probably the most potent. Friday things should settle down, and over the weekend we're dropping back to the high 20s for temperature again. Dalby the same, 30s for a little while, so it's going to be warm and very humid. There'll be storms, and then next week just hovering around 30 but a little drier. And that's a wrap for this evening, my friends. Looks like more rain ahead, and for some of us that means rivers which have only just peaked may flood again. So let's hope the rain miraculously avoids those catchments. Catch you soon, and now it's back to the team.
Well, thanks, Livio. That's all from us for tonight. Thanks for your company. And
a reminder, of course, you can watch our news anytime on the 7plus app or our page 7news.com.au. See you tomorrow night. Good night.
Good night.